வெல்கம் டு ஓடவும் முடியாது ஒளியவும் முடியாது பிகாஸ் யூ ஆர் வாட்சிங்.
உயிரே உயிரே தப்பிச்சு எப்படியாவது ஓடிவிடு. டென்ஷன் ஆகாதீங்கண்ணே.
Let me introduce Kailasa in few words. Listen. Hinduism had 56 nations. Pandya, Chola, Kannada, Telunga, Gurjara, Surangi, Kashi, Gandhara, Nepala, Cambodia, Cambodia, Sri Lanka, Lankapuri, 56 nations, Aganda Bharat.
உங்களுக்கு அறிவோ அறிவுனே.
From Afghanistan, the present day Afghanistan, Gandhar, that is Gandhara, from where Gandhari and Saguni came, and this side Nepala, from Nepala, Sita Pirati, Mother Sita came. Gadaram of Malaysia, Gandhara of Afghanistan. We had 56 nations. All the currencies we used in 56 Hindu nations and all the economic policy we used in those 56 nations. The internal economic policies and economic policies for external trade, currency exchange. These 56 nations, economic policies, economic strategies and currencies, everything I am trying to revive and make them legitimate.
அண்ணே நீங்க பெரிய ஆளுண்ணே.
In Hinduism, gold is not only valuable, it is sacred. Please understand. Gold is given a religious sacred status in Hinduism. So, all currencies will be printed only in pure gold. All currencies will be in pure gold. 1 tola is 1 kasu. In Sanskrit, the Kailasa currency will be called as Swarna Mudra or Swarna Pushpa. In English, it will be called as Kailasian dollar. In Tamil, it will be called as Porkasu. One tola gold. In the modern day measurement, if you want to know, it will be almost like 11 point some grams. 1 tola gold will be called as 1 Swarna Mudra. ஒரு பொற்காசு, 1 Kailasian dollar. By its own weight and possession, it will have value. We have கால் காசு, அரைக்காசு, 1 பொற்காசு, 2 காசு, 3 காசு, 4 காசு, 5 காசு, 10 காசு. Those are the units in which the coins are ready. I am just trying to revive and make the Hindu coins, currencies, economic systems, policies, strategies legitimate and functional functional system.
இதுக்கு தான் ஊருக்குள்ள ஒரு ஆளினார் அழகராஜா தேவைங்கிறது.
See, Hinduism needs revivers, not reformers.
நான் ஒரு சிற்பி மாதிரிடா. எப்படி செதுக்குறேன் பாத்தியா?
I want everything to be revived as it was. So in one Purkasu itself, in one Purkasu, one Kailashian dollar, one Swarna Mudra, we are not making just one type, we are making some 25-30 type. One Swarna Mudra. Same way, two Swarna Mudra will have some another 30-40 type. And Kalkas, the quarter, will have some 10-20 type. Not only knowledge is free, all your survival needs during your study period also is free. And we are going to be following the same principles. My vision is to provide all these services to all the 2 billion Hindus all over the world. More than 1.2 billion born Hindus and around 800 million, 0.8 million practicing Hindus are there all over the world. So, I feel my personal vision is to provide these services to all the 2 billion people all over the world. Let's see, with the grace of Paramashiva, we will be able to do it. Anybody who has knowledge in Hindu economic principles, maybe from Shastras or the modern day application of Shastras, in any form you want to support us, like sending some old books or sharing your thoughts and ideas, we humbly welcome you, and with gratitude we will accept your knowledge input, your knowledge support. Please contact at kailasa.org. You can send your suggestions, knowledge inputs to this mail ID, acknowledging your contribution with your name. We will add this into our economic policies. We only request you to be true to the Hindu scriptures, Vedas and Agamas, Veda, Agama, Purana, Itihasa. These are what we consider as authentic Hindu scriptures. We will be happy to receive any knowledge input to add into our policies.
I am very happy.
உங்களுக்கு என்னண்ணே எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் சந்தோஷமா இருக்கீங்க? அது எப்படி முடியுது?
It is just a simple, humble, devoted service to Paramashiva, Veda Mata, to revive Sanatana Hindu Dharma.
நம்ம சேனலை நீங்கள் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா எங்கேயும் ஓடவும் முடியாது, ஒளியவும் முடியாது. பிகாஸ் யூ வாட்சிங். லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், அண்ட் மறக்காமல் பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது ஓடவும் முடியாது, ஒளியவும் முடியாது. பிகாஸ் யூ வாட்சிங்.
உயிரே உயிரே தப்பிச்சு எப்படியாவது ஓடிவிடு. டென்ஷன் ஆகாதீங்கண்ணே.